Hello guys, you are welcome to Chris Control Automation. Yeah, we are going to continue the PLC hardware configuration, okay? Yeah, so this afternoon I'm going to take you through the physical hardware configurations, all right? Yeah, so in the other video I was talking about something we call the rack, okay? Yeah, this is the rack that I was talking about, all right? So we first initially mount this rack on the wall, okay? Yeah, these are the screws, the screw holes, okay? Yeah, these are the holes, all right? So just initially mount this one on the wall, and then you mount the power supply, okay? So this is the power supply unit, the model that I was talking about, all right? That is it, all right? Yeah, so this is the model we have here, okay? This is the model number here, all right? If you're not seeing it well, hope you can see clear. Yeah, that is the model, okay? That's the model, yeah. So this is the power supply unit, okay? So over here I have this rack here. This is the rack. They are all on the rack. I hope you have seen it. Yeah, they are on the rack, right? They are on the rack, okay? Yeah, so in case you want to remove this PLC, okay, or the power supply model, okay, there are screws here, okay? You see there are screws here. This is a screw, okay? Yeah, also this one too, there are screws here, okay? So you just unscrew it, okay? Just unscrew it. You just unscrew it. This one like this. Yeah, and then you take it up this way, okay? So I have removed the power supply. I've removed it. There is it, okay? So this side it will lock this side, okay? It will lock this side. Have you seen it? Yeah, it will lock this side, all right? Okay, so that's how they are all being removed, all right? That's how they are all removed. So I'm fixing it back. Just slide it this way, upwards like this, then you bring it downwards, all right? So the other side it will lock, and then you screw it, okay? Yeah. All right, so now this is the power supply unit, okay? Yeah, just let me remove the strain relief, okay? Yeah, this one is called strain relief, okay? Yeah, so it holds the cable in place, all right? So this is the power supply, okay? Yeah, this is the power supply, the supply input, okay? This is the supply input. We have live, okay? Yeah, we have live and neutral, right? We have live here, okay? Yeah, this is the live, and then neutral. This is the X, all right? Yeah, live and then neutral, okay? This is our X, live, neutral, and then X, okay? So this is the supply input, the AC, 230 volt AC, okay? So if you can see it here, as I showed you earlier in the pictures, yeah. And then after it takes in the 230 volt AC, single phase AC, it will convert it to 24 volt DC, all right? And then this is the output of the 24 volt. This is the output of the power supply, okay? The 24 volt DC, okay? Yeah. So we have this thing, jumper or connector, okay? So it connects the 24 volt DC to the PLC supply input, all right? So that is it, okay? Let me remove this cable from there. That will be much easier for us. All right. You see it clear? Have you seen it? So this is the PLC, okay? All right, this is the PLC, all right? The PLC. The 24 volt input for the PLC, okay? So this connector, right? This connector, right? To connect, you put it this way. You put it this way, okay? You put it this way, You see it? I'm missing it this way, okay? So that it will tap the positive 24 and negative 24 to the PLC input, all right, this side. So this is how it looks like, all right? This is how it looks like, okay? So in case you want to tap the 24 volt DC from the power supply output to the PLC input, you just use this one, okay? You can equally use cable, but this one came along with the PLC set, all right? So it is this way, all right? And then you tighten it. Then you tighten it, okay? Yeah. You tighten here too. Yeah, so that's how it is, okay? So this is the strain relief, okay? It holds the cable, this cable in place, all right? It holds this cable in place, okay? So that's the strain relief. Yeah, that is the strain relief. That is the strain relief, okay? Yeah, that is the strain relief. Yeah, it holds the incoming cable to the power supply in place. It holds it so firmly, okay? Yeah, now we have the this is the PLC itself, okay? Yeah, so this is what I showed you the other time. This is the MPI cable, okay? The MPI connector, all right? This is the MPI connector, okay? Yeah, this is MPI connector. And then this is the Profibus connector, okay? Yeah. So over here I told you that we have the power supply switch, all right? This is the switch, okay? This is the switch, all right? Yeah, on and off. Then this is the PLC mode selector switch, okay? Mode selector switch, all right? And then this is the memory card. In case you want to remove this memory card, all right, you just press this one downwards. You press it. You see that has come up, and then you remove it. This is the memory card, okay? Yeah, in case you want to slot it, just put it inside, and then press it. That's all. It is locked. So this is the PLC, all right? Yeah, the PLC. Then this is the model, the analog and digital input model, okay? Input and output model, analog input and output model, and then we have digital input on one side, okay? This is digital input model, digital input and output model, all right? Yeah. So you see this ones, this in here, we call it front connector. Front connector. You can unscrew it this way, all right? You can unscrew it, all right? This one is 40 pin front connector. This is 40 pin front connector, okay? So I am removing it. Yeah. So this is the 40 pin. That is it, okay? Yeah, 40 pin front connector, all right? Yeah, this side is 20, okay? This side, all right? This side is 20 and this side is 20, all right? Making 40 pin connector, all right? 40 pin. So that's how it is. And then just press it, then you tighten it, all right? Yeah. So this is basically the hardware, all right? The hardware configuration. In case you want to remove the PLCs, you just unscrew this screw here. You have to unscrew it, and then you unscrew this one too. Then you also remove it the same way I removed the power supply, okay? The same applies to all of them. This is Simatic net Ethernet switch, okay? When you get to the HMI area, the networking, I'll also take you through here. But before then, let's begin with the PLC programming or the other configuration, okay? Yeah, I don't have the MPI connector cable is not here. All right. Yeah, I'll show it to you. Okay. Yeah, I'll show it to you later as you move along, as you move ahead. Okay. So and yes, and then this is the disk. Okay, that I was talking about. All right. Yeah, this is the disk I was talking about. You see the numbers here. All right. So this number like this, for instance, okay, it wasn't there when the models came fresh. These numbers were not there. Okay, they were all on this disk. All right. So if it is 1, just remove the 1. This is a brand new disk. Okay, just remove 1. All right, this 1. Just remove it. This 1. Okay. Yeah. Yes, you have to remove this 1, and then you slot it here. Okay, you slot it on the gate. All right. Yeah, it is something like a hole. There's something like a hole there. Okay, seen it? Yeah. The same applies to all of them. This one is number 2. This one is number 2. Yeah. Okay. This one is number 2. Have you seen it? Yeah. So if you are new to this channel, all right, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and then you hit the bell icon. You select all right, so that you get all my notifications for this PLC programming. It is going to be so practical. All right. So kindly share the video to your friends, and then like the video, put down your comment. Okay. Yeah. Kindly subscribe. Okay. I'll see you in my next tutorials. Thank you.